The Cape Gooseberry, scientifically known as Physalis peruviana, comes from Peru. It's known for its healing properties and distinctive flavor. You've likely seen it in markets and as a garnish in some restaurant desserts. In this video from the Daily Eco, we'll delve into the benefits of the Cape Gooseberry. This plant is categorized as one of the superfoods due to its exceptional nutritional and medicinal attributes. It serves as a source of provitamin A and vitamin C, and it contains substantial amounts of protein and phosphorus. Moreover, its abundant water content makes it hydrating and low in calories. Lastly, its elevated pectin content imparts mild laxative qualities. So, let's delve into the 10 benefits of Cape Gooseberry. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated on all things related to organic food, gardening, and the environment. Aids in maintaining regular digestion. The Cape Gooseberry aids in maintaining regular digestion by leveraging its pectin content, making it a helpful ally against constipation. Natural source of calcium. Cape Gooseberry acts as a natural calcium source, making it a suitable fruit for individuals with bone issues or deficiencies. Additionally, it proves beneficial in treating stomach ulcers. Offers potential anti-cancer effects. It offers potential anti-cancer effects primarily in prevention. Consistent consumption of infusions prepared from its stems and leaves can reduce the risk of tumor development. Offers support against infections. Cape Gooseberry offers support against infections, particularly when addressing ear issues or otitis. Extracting its juice and warming it enables us to apply drops 3 times daily, easing pain and lessening discomfort. Holds anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving qualities. Possesses anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving qualities, making it beneficial for alleviating throat and mouth discomfort. In such situations, we can create a juice infusion and consume it thrice a day. Assists in addressing cataracts. Cape Gooseberry can assist in addressing cataracts, though it's important to note that it doesn't cure the condition. Cape Gooseberry juice can be utilized to enhance the situation, especially in the early stages. To do this, the juice must be heated and then allowed to rest, to finally apply 2 drops to each eye every 8 hours. Beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Cape Gooseberry is also beneficial for individuals with diabetes as it contributes to managing blood sugar levels. Enhances wound recovery. Cape Gooseberry can help enhance wound recovery, particularly when applied to the skin through a process of heating and application. Supports cholesterol management. This plant can also support cholesterol management, aiding in lowering bad cholesterol while maintaining and increasing good cholesterol levels. Eases menopause and menstruation symptoms. Finally, Cape Gooseberry can also ease menopause and menstruation symptoms, whether consumed as an infusion or directly as fresh fruit. As you can see, Cape Gooseberry has a variety of benefits that make it a great addition to a healthy diet. If you liked this video, don't forget to give us a like and leave us your comments. Until next time!